everyone, Silvio here from Silvium Garden, a small gardening company in Melbourne, Australia. Today I want to talk to you on how I start my business without experience. So if I did it, you also can do it. So before I started my business, I didn't have any experience at all. I was working hospitality and I was bored of hospitality work and I wanted to change. I wanted to change to become a gardener. So I said, alright, I can do this and I want to do this. So I went online on this app called Seek. I found this job for these guys who was looking for someone just to cutting lawn. So I said, you know what, I'll try and see how I go. So I applied for the job and was really cheap paid job, but I say I don't have experience and I just want to start. So I just apply and yeah, I got accepted. These guys called me, we talk. He asked me a few questions and he asked me if I was available in the next 2 days. So I said yes, and I just went. I went with him. He showed me how to use the lawnmower, he showed me how to use the whippersnipper, he told me a little bit how to cut things, and from there I worked with him maybe 3 months, and I said, you know what, now it's time for me to go on my own, because when I was working for him, sometimes he sent me to his job by myself. So he's just tell me, look, you need to do this, this and that. And sometimes there were also customers that asked me, hey, can you do the edges? Can you cut this? Can you cut that? And I didn't know anything what to do. So I just called him and say, hey, the customer asked me to do this. How I need to do it? So it was explained to me and I was learning. So I was thinking, all right, if I can do this, I'm working for him, and anyway, I'm working mostly for myself, even if I'm working with him, but I'm going to work alone. So I can do also in my own business. So that's what I did. I left him and I went on my own. First customer, alright? I started. I said, look, I do lawn, edges, I do like maintenance, cleaning leaf, weeding, all this stuff. So I don't have a lot of experience in like landscape and other area, but I can do the basic job. So that's what I did. First client, second client, very happy, very happy. Most important, I feel like then you having the experience is the communication. How communicate with your client, if you reply to the message, if you be on time, when you say to them, I will be there at 10 and you'll be there at 10. If you can do more than what your customer asks you. Little things. I feel like customers are happy when you do that little bit more, especially at the start, and you talk to them, you be friendly. I feel like that is very important when you start a new business. So yeah, if you want, what advice I give you, if you want to start a gardening business, just do it. You don't have experience, just find a job, do for 1-2 months, learn as much as you can and just try, see how you go. Of course, I'm just covering the topic of starting without experience, alright? There is other things I talk in my other video, but yeah, you can start. Like no one can stop you to start and no one can tell you anything. It's all your choice. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any question, comment below, like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you next time.